Hi everyone, today we are diving into the top 5 essential skills every data scientist needs to master in 2024. Stay till the end for a special tip that could skyrocket your data science career. Ever wondered what makes a successful data scientist? Imagine having the power to predict trends, optimize processes, and make data-driven decisions that impact the world. I'll reveal the must-have skills that will set you apart in the competitive field of data science. Let's get started. First up, mastering programming languages like Python and R is crucial. Python's simplicity and versatility make it a go-to language for data analysis, machine learning, and more. R, on the other hand, shines in the statistical analysis and visualization. With libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Python makes it easy to clean, analyze, and visualize data. Whether you choose Python, R, or both, strong programming skills are the backbone of your data science toolkit. Next, let's talk about data wrangling and cleaning. Raw data is often messy and incomplete. Your job is to transform this chaos into a usable format. This involves handling missing values, correcting errors, and normalizing data. Tools like Pandas in Python are incredibly powerful for this. Think of data wrangling as preparing your ingredients before cooking a meal. A clean dataset is essential for accurate analysis and modeling. Third on our list is statistical analysis. Understanding the fundamentals of statistics is key to making sense of your data. This includes concepts like probability distribution, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. By mastering statistical analysis, you can draw meaningful conclusions and make data-driven decisions with confidence. It's the science behind interpreting the numbers. Now let's dive into machine learning. As a data scientist, you will need to understand how to build and deploy machine learning models. This involves supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and deep learning techniques. Using frameworks like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch, you can develop models that can learn from data and make predictions. Machine learning is where the magic of data science truly comes alive. Fifth, but definitely not least, is data visualization. Communicating your findings efficiently is as important as the analysis itself. Tools like Tableau, Power BI, and Matplotlib help you create compelling visualizations that tell a story. Good visualizations make complex data accessible and actionable. They are the bridge between your analysis and your audience understanding. And now for the bonus tip, stay curious and keep learning. The field of data science is constantly evolving. Platforms like Coursera, Kaggle, and Udacity offer courses and competition to keep your skills sharp and up to date. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow learners. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insightful content. Which skill are you excited to master? Let me know in the comments below. Keep exploring, keep innovating, and I'll see you in the next video.